So there's an industry right now in the world, and that industry is producing or generating billion, $15 billion every year. All right, and it is growing day in day out. The last time I checked, the last time I wrote the book about this, that was last year, and it wasn't up to 15 billion, but it was even projected, was estimated that it's going to be even more than that. And we are seeing progress in this industry every day. Now there's an opportunity for you, because everybody qualifies to be a part of this industry, to share in these billions that are coming to this industry and revenue every day. And that industry is the knowledge industry, the knowledge economy. It is a knowledge business. Everybody knows something, and people are always in need of knowledge. Right now, since COVID-19 struck, most people are online looking for knowledge, and most people are not turning to universities, are not turning to corporations, but they are looking to credible information. They are looking online for information that can help them achieve their goals. That is why the knowledge business is very important. And right now in this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process that you can go through to become someone who can put your knowledge out there and make money from it. So we are looking at how to start making money online, leveraging your knowledge. If you know something, or you think you can learn something and become known for that thing and start sharing it and put yourself out there and make money from it, welcome to this video. I'm going to show you the 5-step process to achieving that. Don't go away. Hey there, my name is Desmond Edemeklu, and I am your award-winning author, digital publisher, and online business strategy consultant. On this channel, I help you with tips and strategies that can help you grow online. I also help you to write, publish, and sell your books, right? This is the kind of content you're looking for. Please just subscribe to this channel right now. Subscribe down there, and it's free, all right? And I'm going to be bringing you amazing content every Tuesday, every Thursday, and every Saturday. 3 times a week, I bring you amazing content, right? So let's get into today's video, the 5-step process that will help you, anybody, a novice, anyone at all. It doesn't matter your level of education, whether you are starting or whether you are an expert. The 5-step process that can take you from nobody to becoming someone who is a big player in the knowledge business, to start getting people to pay you for the knowledge you have, for what you want, what you have as your knowledge. That is what I want to teach you right now. So let's get quickly into it. Let's don't waste time. Number 1 right now is that you must identify the knowledge you want to share with people. You must identify the knowledge. Now, before you even identify the knowledge, or in order to help you identify the knowledge, you must identify the knowledge gap. Must identify the knowledge need. Whatever need is there, so there must be a problem before you bring a solution. All right, so there is unemployment. So what do you bring in to solve that problem? So identify the knowledge gap, the knowledge need, then provide a solution to that knowledge gap and a solution you are bringing. So it could be from your experience, it could be from your story, it could be from your skill, whatever knowledge solution or whatever knowledge gap there is, you must find something inside of you to fill it. Right now, you may be a novice, a complete novice. You just came out of school, or you just started school. You are a young person, you are a teenager, and you probably don't have any skill or experience. Now that is where you must be. There's something you are interested in. There's a field you are interested in, so you start learning about that. So once you start learning about that, you are qualified to teach somebody else. All right, so that is where you start from. So there's a place for everybody, whether you are an expert, whether you have so much experience, or you are just starting. All it takes is an interest in a particular field of knowledge, and that's a passion to share the information with somebody else to help them become better. That is all it takes. So number 1, you have to identify the knowledge, the solution you are bringing. All right, let's move on to number 2 right now, and that is you must choose a niche. All right, so niching is a word. When we say niche, it's a complex digital marketing word that most people don't really understand. But a niche is just an area of specialization. All right, so whatever field you choose to specialize in, that is your niche. All right, so we have broad niches, and then we also have a sub niches. All right, so you must be very careful not to find yourself in a broad niche. You must niche down, be careful so that you play in a very small niche. For example, when we say the online coaching industry is a broad niche, because in online coaching there is life coaching, there is business coaching, there is all kinds of coaching in that industry. But you want to find yourself, if you want to be a coach, then find yourself in a sub niche. Even when you take business coaching is still broad. All right, there is marketing strategy, there is management, there is all different sides of business that you can tackle. All right, so you can choose one of them, or even go further to a very small aspect of business. Maybe it is the legal aspect of starting a business. You want to coach people in that area. That is small enough. That is a good niche that you want to get into. So knowledge about that is something that people are interested in, because people are starting businesses every day. All right, so you want to find yourself in a very sub niche, a very smaller place or specialization where you can operate. You know so many things, but choose a very small one, because the industry is huge. In order for you to be identified, discovered, and be known for what you do, you must play in a very small niche. Let's move on to number 3 step right now. We are saying that you must build your audience, right? In order for you to be known for something, the people that you are addressing, they must know you. All right, so before they can know you, you must put yourself out there. But you must also make sure that you build your own audience. There's a huge market out there. All right, they know people, and the people they know are the ones that they are attracted to, and eventually they are the ones they are paying for either their books, their courses, or whatever they are putting out. So if you want to be part of those people, you must then take the effort of building your audience. And how do you build your audience? You have to feed them with content. You have to show them, you have to show up daily, telling them what to do. Show up, put videos there, put content on your blog, whatever you choose to do, whatever platform you want to communicate your content to them. You have to stick to that and show up consistently, and put your knowledge in front of them. If you can know something, it's in your head, nobody knows that you know it. But it is when you start talking about it that people see, this person knows this. Let me listen to them. That is how you build your audience. So once people start gathering, once, twice, you start talking, people start gathering, you are building an audience. So get a platform. It can be on YouTube, it can be on Facebook, it can be on LinkedIn, it can be on Twitter, it can be on Instagram, it can be on your blog. Any platform at all you choose, just make sure if it works for you, go there and job. That is your way to go. Number 4 right now is that you must identify your own products. All right, your product that you're going to sell. So you are giving out content, you are building an audience. Of course, you have to profit from it. You have to monetize. Number 4 is the monetization stage. All right, so what is the ideal way you want to put your product out there for them? Are you going to be doing online courses? Are you going to be hosting courses on Teachable? Are you going to be hosting courses on Udemy? What are you going to be doing? Are you going to be teaching? Are you going to be doing webinars? What are you going to be doing? Are you going to be doing a digital product like ebook, or whatever digital product works with your audience or works with you? You have to critically think about that and evaluate and see how they work, or what they appreciate. And what they appreciate is what you give to them. So look at it so that you don't end up putting together a product and then you don't end up selling it, because it may not be because they are not interested in the product. Maybe it's because the product is not suitable for them. So look at it critically. There are different versions or different forms of digital product out there, but it's not all of them that might work with your audience. So look at it critically and see. Probably you can do a research, towards a questionnaire to them, what they have bought before, what they are, to find out exactly what works for them. And then you go ahead and know that what you're doing will work for them. Let's go ahead and look at the 5th strategy right now, is that you must create a sales strategy. Before you launch out, you must have a sales strategy. All right. See, it is very important to develop a sales strategy, a product strategy, a launch strategy. What you are going to do must be very calculated. Whatever you are putting your effort into must be very calculated. All right, you don't just see that people are running ads, you are doing this, you are doing that, and then you are doing it. You must have a concrete strategy. And I want to share with you that as you are putting your stuff out there, one of the very good things to do is that you must start building a list. That's a very good thing to do. You build a list, so whatever you are putting out there, you are taking out of the lot the people who are listening to you, to build a list of people who are interested in what you are doing, and you keep communicating to those on the list. And I say that do not sell to the crowd, sell to the list. Do not sell to the crowd, sell to the list. Give content to the crowd, but build a list from your content, and then you sell to the list. Because what? Because of the fact that you have developed that relationship with them, you have already built that trust with them. It is much easier for them to buy from you. So these are the 5 steps. Let me go through again. Number 1 is that you must identify your knowledge. All right, what it's your skill, your experience, or whatever you want to share with people, you must identify it. Number 2 is that you must choose a niche, choose an area of specialization that you want to focus on, so that you can get discovered by people very early. All right. Number 3 is that you must build your audience, build them, give them content, grow with them. All right. Become an authority in their eye, become influential by impacting them, give them content. Number 4 is that you must identify the product that you want to produce. So once you are giving content, you are planning your product in the back end, because something you must go after that. Once you are doing that, the product must follow, and then so you can get some revenue out of that. So number 5 is that you must have a marketing or sales strategy. With these 5 points or 5 steps, I believe that you can become awesome in this industry. Whatever is in your head, whatever you know, whatever you are passionate about, you can teach the people online. You can create your platform. You can start your own YouTube channel. You can start on Facebook, create a group. You can start your email marketing campaign right now and start developing people, growing them, and turning them into people who can pay you, right? And if you want more clarification about this, you want to book me on one-on-one coaching, let me help you with any of this. I'll leave a link in the description. You can reach out to me, you can write me an email, and then I will be glad to assist you to get this up and running. You have something in your head you want to teach people, or you want to start on this journey. I want to become a coach. I want to go into the knowledge business. I think I have something in me that I want to teach other people. Of course, you can do it, right? You can do it. So get into the DM right now, get into the description right now, click on the link, and then get in touch with me. I'm going to show you how you can achieve that. If you enjoyed this video, why not give it a like? Leave some comments down there. Let me know how you're feeling right now, whether you've learned something. Drop some comments down there. And of course, it's the kind of content you want to be consuming. If you like what you're seeing on this channel, don't forget to subscribe. I have realized that 70% of you or more are not subscribed to the channel, but you watch the videos. Why not? If you like them, why don't you just subscribe to the channel, so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first to know. I'll see you in the next video. But don't forget, if you enjoyed this one, share with somebody else. Right? I'll see you in the next one. Bye.